Hello and welcome to a new vlog, and today we're taking a local train from Potsdam to Jüterbog, near the German capital of Berlin. And here on the map you can see our route today, and our train today is a Stadler GTW that will be replaced soon. We are leaving the city of Potsdam, heading south to the station Potsdam-Pirschheide. Potsdam-Pirschheide used to be the main station of Potsdam during the time that Germany was divided in East and West Germany. Nowadays it's just a very small station and way less important. And then we are continuing on via Kaput and Ferch, and then going on via Belitz and Treuenbrietzen to Jüterbog. This railway line used to be operated by Talent 2 trains, which are electric trains, and now it's operated by a diesel train, which sounds a bit weird. And that is because there have been many changes with the train lines in the Berlin-Brandenburg area, and earlier on the trains went from Potsdam to Michendorf, and now since December of 2022 trains have a new route, a way longer route, and the last part of it is not electrified. The changes became possible as the bridge that we are crossing now has been rebuilt. It was closed in 1989. Since then the trains had to go to Michendorf, and now this bridge was reopened, and now the trains can go all the way from Potsdam to Treuenbrietzen and Jüterbog. Therefore the line to Michendorf was closed and a new line RB37 was opened, and there is also another line from Belitz to Berlin-Wannsee. With these changes, it was planned to have new trains on this route, Lint 54, but their production is delayed. They will arrive around March next year, and until then the Stadler GTW will be in service on these two lines, RB from Potsdam to Jüterbog and RB37 from Belitz to Berlin-Wannsee. I don't know why these trains get replaced, as they are rather modern, comfortable. And also the new trains, Lint 54, are diesel trains, even though part of this railway line is electrified, so it would be perfect for hybrid trains like the Stadler Flirt Akku or similar trains. But still, with the new contract until 2034, there will be regular diesel trains on this route, just a newer model. Until then, the Stadler GTW will be in service on these two lines. They used to operate another line, but now all of them are used on these two lines here that we are on now, and for the other line, Lint 41 were chartered. Stadler GTW stands for Stadler Gelenktriebwagen. That means Stadler Articulated Railcar, and it has a unique concept as there is a middle car with the engine and two end cars where the passengers can sit. That enables the train to have a very low floor and to be very silent. And it's even possible for the passengers to walk through the part with the engine, which you can see here. Meanwhile, we arrived in Jüterbog where I left the train, and I was very lucky to be able to go all the way to Jüterbog, as just a few days later the part from Treuenbrietzen to Jüterbog was completely closed due to a big wave of flu in Germany and many train drivers falling ill, and therefore the whole stretch from Treuenbrietzen to Jüterbog was temporarily closed. So I was very lucky that I was able to show you the whole railway line. That's it for this video. I hope it was interesting for you. Here you can see the name of the song and when my next video will be uploaded. As always, I'd like to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider to comment, like, subscribe or share the video link. And I hope to see you in the next video.